Hi everyone, I'm Almi Andy, and for this video, we will tackle about benefits and detriments for the sending countries. But before we proceed to the main topic, there's have a question. Why people immigrate or migrate to other country? Now, there's some reason why. The first one is desire to escape poverty. They hope to start new life where their work is going to be appreciated with a higher salary. The second is marrying a foreigner. With the development of internet, people from different countries have chance to interact freely. Some of them fall in love and move in together, with one party immigrating to the other country of their partners. And the third one is finding a job. Professional reason are to find a job. Often, enter long-term contracts that force to immigrate with their families and to start new chapter in other country or place. Now, let's proceed to the main topic. What are the benefits for the sending countries? These are the some benefits for the sending countries. The first one is employment rate. When person exits country they were born in, they automatically reduce supply available employees in a local market. On the other hand, it can be a positive thing. Employment rates pose constant problems as there are often more people looking for a job than a number of jobs available to them. Second, the wages. When a person leaves, other people get chance to become more sought by employers. In turn, because of decreasing supply of labor force, wages begin to rise and increasing people's income, along with the value of education, which affects people's determination to develop their skills. The third one is population level. For the countries with high levels of population, immigrants are blessings since they relieve pressure on resources. Now, let's tackle the detriments for the sending countries. The first one is people of working age move out, reducing the size of the country's potential workforce. The second is gender imbalances. It is typically men who seek to find employment elsewhere. Women and children are left. Third, brain drain. If many skilled workers leave, there is also the fact that many highly intelligent people are recruited by representatives of more developed nations. By moving, they take their ideas, insight, and potential away from their homes and help other countries flourish instead. And the last but not the least, the taxes. An immigrant stop paying taxes. So, which limits support and resources it receives. Sure, such as a person also loses chance to use local medical, retirements, or other services. But in the majority of cases, people pay more taxes than they use advantage coming from them. So, countries' budget suffer. Therefore, some sending country having a benefits and some countries are not.